Hey guys, Brian here from Liquid Concepts. So today we're going to do a little bit on some gun barrels. So what we've got here is we've got a shotgun barrel that we've already prepped and we've already got it ready to go. Today we're going to be dipping it in the SKO 310. It's one of our tree bark patterns. Really great pattern to work with. Looks awesome, and hopefully you guys will see that today. So we're going to go ahead and get this started. I'll go over a little bit about the dipping technique on the barrel itself, what we're going to do, how we're going to hold it, things like that, and then let you guys see a finished product, and we'll go from there. All right, so put these out to the side here and grab our film. So we'll lay it down with one edge first and then just let it lay out from there. And now we got it on the water, we'll start our timer. Pull our dividers in, that way we got a nice tight pattern to work with. And like I said, we'll let it sit for the amount of time that we need it and then spray it with the activator and we'll go from there. So while this is counting down, I'll kind of go over a little bit on the barrel. So what we've got is we've got our barrel, we've got a hook on this end or a piece of wire that we've got, and we've ran it all the way through to the back end in here. And so essentially we're going to of course dip it like this because we want the line to be at the bottom, and that way it's less noticeable. And then the other thing that we want to do is whenever we're dipping, we want to go at a slight angle, and then we want to just allow it to go down very gently and smooth all the way down into the water. And so we'll go ahead, looks like our timer's about up, we'll go ahead and we'll get some gloves on and let you guys see how this is done. Alright, so everything's looking good. Gonna pull that in just a little bit. Timer went off. We got our Liquid Concepts activator in here, so we'll go ahead and activate everything and get it going in the water for you guys. So so everything's looking really good right now. Like I said, I'm going to hold it like this right here, and I'm going to keep it straight up as possible, and we're just going to go slowly in with it and allow it to wrap all the way around. Once it wraps all the way around, then we're ready to go with it. Now you want to try to keep it going down very smoothly, and that way you get a nice smooth line. You want to slow down right whenever you get to about this area right here, because you want to allow that film to wrap around the entire part, and then you can continue on down with it. So if you notice, I slowed down just a little bit around where the magazine tube slides into the barrel at, and the main reason for that is that we wanted to make sure that we got a good smooth finish and wrap all the way around. And so looks like everything hit really well. You know, we got a little bit right there. That's expected pretty much, and pretty much this is a great pattern to work with. What we did on this is we got an OD green base. Looks very nice, looks really good up against any of the tree bark patterns out there. And so if you have a customer that's looking for like a mossy oak bottomlands or something like that, this is a really good film to use in lieu of that if you can't get the film or something like that. So like I said, pattern worked out really well. Dip's awesome. You can check it out on our website, liquidconcepts.com, or you can also go to our Facebook group and check us out there. And if you have any questions or comments, definitely post them below in the comments section, or you can also give us a call anytime, 501-455-5500. So we'll see you guys later. Thank you.